If you want to permanently delete your Instagram, but you've forgotten the password for that account, this video will solve that problem for you. All you need to do is open Instagram. Once you open it, click on your profile icon at the bottom. After that, click on the three lines at the top right corner. Right at the top, you'll see the first option, Account Center. Click on that. After that, click on Manage Accounts below. As soon as you click it, a new page will open in front of you, where you'll see a Manage option next to your ID. Click on that.
Now you'll see the first option written as deactivation or deletion in front of you. Click on that.
Now you'll see two options. With the first option, you can deactivate your Instagram account for some time and reactivate it later whenever you want. And with the second option, you can permanently delete your Instagram account. To delete it, we'll select the second option and click Continue. As soon as you click it, Instagram will ask you the reason why you want to delete your account. Click on Something Else, give any reason, and continue. This option is the easiest. After continuing, you'll just need to click Continue again. After that, you'll need to enter the password for the account you want to permanently delete. If you've forgotten the password for your Instagram ID, click on Forgot Password. As soon as you click it, Instagram will send you a link to verify your account. Remember, if you created your Instagram account with a Gmail ID, or if Gmail is verified on your account, the link will go to your Gmail. If your number is verified, a code or link will go to that number. For example, I'll open my Gmail and click on this password reset link. And from here, I'll enter a new password for my account. After entering the password, I'll click Reset Password. And this way, you'll get a new password for your Instagram account so you can permanently delete it. Now we come back to that page. If Instagram opened fresh on your phone, don't worry, you can rewind the video and follow the same process to get back to this point. Now we'll enter our password here, click Continue, then Continue again, and from here, click Delete Account to confirm that yes, we truly want to permanently delete our account. As soon as you click it, your Instagram will be scheduled for permanent deletion. Remember, you should not log into this account after that, otherwise your account won't get deleted and you'll have to repeat the entire process. I hope your Instagram account gets permanently deleted. If you're still facing any problem, let me know in the comments. I'll pin it and give you the solution.